Good morning, teachers. In this video we will discuss about the self portfolio. Self portfolio is basically the part of the Google Sites. Now the point is how to work out on this Google Sites. As the name sites come in the mind, we think that something related to coding and HTML, and we feel that we as a non-technical people, means people as like me, those are not very much familiar with the computer, those are non-technical, they feel that they cannot generate any page on the Google site, they cannot work on this site. But if you are thinking that, you are wrong. This Google site is something different from the HTML or coding decoding. This is very simple, and anybody can operate it, anybody can make their page. So now the question is, what is the requirement of go on this Google site and to create a page? Very simple. We as a teacher or faculty, either on college level or university level, as a tutor, as a FDP convener, there is need to create a page, and the main benefit is that this page can be converted into a small link, and you can forward this link to anybody as per the requirement, and the another side, when the person click on the link, your page will open out. So suppose you would like to organize a FDP, the complete FDP details you can you can create a page on Google site and insert all the details of your FDP and convert all the details into a small link, and you can upload it on the social media, on Facebook and on other options. So when the people they click on that, your complete page will open out. Being a tutor, you can use it. You can say that is one kind of your biodata or resume, and this biodata or resume can be converted into a small link. Very simple. So how to work on it? The first, in this video we discuss about the self portfolio. Self portfolio is the part of the Google sites. So first of all, we have to go on this option, that how to open this Google sites. When we click Google sites on this search engine, this page will open out www.sites.google.com. so when you click on this one, this page open out. There are 4-5 options, like this is the blank page, means you can make your own page from the initial on the initial stage. This is the self portfolio, means if you would like to make your own page, your portfolio, being a tutor, being a trainer, being a faculty, if you want to promote yourself, you want to show your projects, your details, or you would like to apply for a job, so you use this self portfolio. This is something related to the event. If you being a convener, you want to you are going to organize any seminar, workshop or FDP, so you use this one, this format. This is something related to the restaurant promotion, and this is the help center related. So we are talking about this one, the portfolio. When you click on this portfolio, this page just open out. Before that, I just check you, this is my page I prepared for the demo purpose only. One thing I would like to tell you, that when you make it, automatically it's saved on our Google Drive. So this is about my page. I mention my photo, I insert my photo, my name, my qualification, and other details about me. I uploaded some of the videos, relevant videos, my email ID. This is about the existing faculty development program and the Google Forms. and this is about home, and next is the about. So few words about me, my objective, my experience, and the research work, whatever you want to mention, you can write according to your knowledge, your qualification, your profession. The project page, so you can if you are working on any project, one project or more than one project, you can mention it here. So this is complete about you. That's why I'm saying this is your portfolio. So you make it, and after completing it, you go on this link, copy publish site link. When we click on this one, a link will generate, and we can send with the help of the WhatsApp or email to the other people as per our requirement. So how to prepare it? Very easy. The first of all, this one, your name. So you can write down your name. You can write down your detail, your name, your qualification, as per the requirement, whatever you feel comfort. You can insert your photo at here. So how to insert a photo? This one, you click on this one, this small box come out, more editing options, you go on this one, replace image, you upload any of your photo if you saved in this computer or laptop. You can add any caption on your photo, so this option is also here. The next point, the select work, the name of the presentation, the name of the project, the name of the video, means you can upload as per your requirement. And if you feel that they are not relevant to you, you can go on this delete section and you delete it. The same as like this, either you add it, you use it, or you can delete it. You can insert your email ID at here. So other options are also here. As per your requirement, you use, or either you use it or you can delete it. So lot of options are will be there. You find that they are not relevant to you, so the best option is you delete all, and you just left whatever is relevant to you. So this is about the about. The same, you can write down about you, you can insert your photo, your jobs, your first job, the second job, the third job, your education from this time to this time, you completing your schooling, then your college life, you can insert this one, your professional courses, all about you. And the project work, being a researcher or being a professor, if you are working on one project or more than one project, so you can add on your projects details at here with the pictures or with videos. So how to work on this? This is there are three options: the insert, the pages, and the themes. This is the insert size. You can add any text. If you would like to insert any box as per requirement, so you can do that. The image, you can upload any image from your laptop. You can if you would like to upload anything from the drive, you can go on this one. So this is the insert option. Either you insert any text or any image or drive, and if you would like to insert any link URL, so you can click on this one. These are the layouts, depend on you as per the requirements. Suppose I click on this one, click to edit text and click to edit text. These are two, so these are the three. I click on this one. I can insert photo, I can insert JPG file, the PDF file, or I can upload any video. So all about all about according to your requirement. The table of content, we already mentioned on the first on the first page top, the home page. This is, so table of content, it show to anybody who would like to see it the complete detail of your projects in few words on the top of your home page. So this is table of content. You can divide any line. You can insert any button. This button will work out as like a hyperlink. Means you create a button and write up something and linked it with something about you. So people those would like to know about that, they click, means you create a button and you write experience. And when I visit on your page and I would like to know about your working experience, so I click on this button, the experience button. The new link will open out and that will be something about your experience. So you can do that. You can maximize or minimize your image. You can upload any video, calendar, map, docs, Google form, Google sheets, slides, charts. So anything which you would like to insert as per your requirement, you can insert. All options are there. Then next is the pages. Right now there are 3 pages: home, about and project work page. I feel that I required only 2, home and the about, so I can delete this one. How to delete? Go on this one, click here and delete it. And the another side, suppose I feel that 3 pages are not enough for me, so I go on this plus button and I can insert the next page and give the title. Suppose I would like to insert experience or qualification or paper publication. So I go on this plus button and I make one more page, paper presentation. When I complete it, the paper presentation title will insert at here. And when somebody click on my paper presentation title, my complete detail of when and where I presented all my papers will come out here. So this is about the pages, insert and pages. And the next one is the theme. You can select any theme out of these options. This is the vision, this is the diploma type, or this is one, this is simple, so change the color of your words. So now the point is, there are many options. You can create boxes as per your requirement. You can insert photos, you can upload it videos, you can write any content. So you can make your own portfolio as per your requirement. Being a tutor, if you are working as a tutor, so you write down your qualification, your about your result of last 10 years. This year, means particular this year you gave 100% result or whatever. Instead of this portfolio, you as I told you, you can make your own page, something about your event. So that is also possible. You on the Google sites and on the main page there is option of event. So many options are there. This is something about undo. If you did something and you would like to go on the previous situation, so you click on this one. This is for the next one. This is the preview before publishing it. If you would like to see it at the another side, so you can do that. This is a link. You can create your own link. You can share with other people. There is also option of this one. So this work as like of your share in case of Google Docs. As I told you that in Google Docs, when you share one of your MS Word folder file, so the another side, your boss and you both can work simultaneously on that one. So the same at here. If suppose I write down your email ID at here, so it will come on your email email in the sense on your Google Drive, and the same time you and me can work on this one. Means suppose you and me are going to organize a faculty development program, and we would like to work on that one. So I share it with you, the same time simultaneously you and me can work on this one. I upload some photos, I start to upload some photos, the another side you start to upload some videos, or I write down about the FDP, you write down about the registration charges and all. So one, two, or more than two people can work at a time on this option, this portfolio. So this is the option. Next is the setting, the brand image, the viewer tool. So as per the requirement you can choose anyone. The more the version history, the duplicate site, report a problems, and after completing all you have to go for publish it. So now you have to give the name. Suppose this is my page. So as like my page, you can publish to the web. For that you have to mention a proper URL of your portfolio or your Google sites. So it start with basically the www, as I mentioned, www.amitnaru.com, and I click on this publish button. When I click on this button, this page will publish out as like my page. And what is the sign of this one? It will come on this form into the Google Drive. You click, or anybody can click on this page, the Google site page, my portfolio, and the page will open out. So I'm sure it's not very difficult. You and me people, those are non-technical people, they can generate their own page, they can work on the Google sites, and it's very easy. Being a job seeker, we can create our own biodata. Suppose I would like to apply for the job of principal, so I can create my own page, and when I send my biodata on email ID to anybody, to any school, so I forward this link also. So with the help of this link, they people can know better than know more and more about me. And the same, you if would like to organize any faculty development program, so I suggest you that you create this page and convert it into a small link, like FDP schedule you can create, and you send it, you insert it on your address page and forward it. When people read about your FDP and they find the link and click on that, so that link will give you the detail of your FDP. Means 10, 20, 30, 40 pages can be converted into a small link, and in these 20-30 pages, lot of photos will be there, lot of videos will be there, lot of details will be there, and all these details are in the form of a small link. So I'm sure it's help you being a teacher, being a faculty. So I advise you try for it and you make your own page and forward it as per your requirement, or you can save it into your Google Drive. Automatically it's saved in your Google Drive. So you try once for this one. For this video it's enough from my end. Thank you.